In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to process a refund in Zoho Books. Whether you're a small business owner or part of a larger accounting team, understanding the refund process can save you time and prevent potential errors. Let's dive into the details to ensure you can handle this task smoothly and accurately. First, open your Zoho Books account and navigate to the dashboard. Once there, click on the Purchases tab. This is where we will begin our process of managing vendor transactions. Within the Purchases menu, you'll see an option labeled Bills. Click on this to access the list of bills associated with your account. After accessing the Bills section, review the list and select the specific bill for which you'd like to process a refund. Once you've identified the correct bill, look for the More Actions button, typically found within the details of the selected bill. From the More Actions menu, choose the option labeled Create Vendor Credits. This action will prompt you to enter details about the credit note that will be applied to the vendor's account. It's important to input all necessary information accurately to ensure the credit is applied correctly. Next, you'll encounter the item table, where you'll need to focus your attention. This is where you can select and manage the items related to the credit. Carefully choose the items that apply to the refund scenario before proceeding to the next step. Once you've decided on the items, ensure everything is correctly filled out and then click on Save. After saving, you will find yourself with the option to initiate a refund. Go back to the More Actions menu related to the vendor credit you've just created and select the Refund option. Now you'll need to choose where you would like to deposit this refund. Selecting the right deposit account is crucial as it determines where the funds will be routed. Make your choice based on your financial setup and the requirements of your business. Finally, after verifying all the details, click Save Again to formally record the refund. This ensures that all entries are correctly updated within Zoho Books, completing the process. And there you have it. You've successfully processed a refund in Zoho Books. This straightforward process, when followed accurately, helps maintain clarity and integrity in your financial records. Be sure to double-check all entries and deposits to prevent discrepancies. Thank you for watching, and happy bookkeeping.